Hi, my name's Yasmine. I'm a fireman here at Quainton. Welcome to a day in the life as a fireman. It's 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Only means one thing. Treats! Right, so it's nice and simple. Train clothes, train bag. Needs to go on me. Good morning, everyone. Right, so we're in the wood store now. This is where we keep all the stuff we need to get engines ready in the morning. Here we have wood, some pallets, then they go straight into the wheelbarrow, up to the engine. We have other miscellaneous things in here. We've got hose pipes, shovels, pallet breakers. We have a normal shovel and a western shovel there. We have a cupboard for the cloths. And then here we have kerosene, diesel, paraffin for lighting up / cleaning. Got a bit of polish, important brasso, some wedding ribbons. Then we come here, it's a bit more oily. We have some miscellaneous tools. We don't normally have to touch any of that. And here we have all the oil. We use Morris lubricants here, I think most railways do. And yeah, I'm going to fill up the wheelbarrow and deliver some wood to our trainee firemen. Right, shunting is complete. We are just about to go onto the pit now. On the sidings here. Right, today's work is done. All the trips today are done. Got some shunting to do now. These coaches here need to go on a platform for some maintenance. So we're going to shunt them around, which means we have to pop them up, run around them, pick them back up again, push them into the platform, and then go out again. So we've got another hour or so of work. At the same time I'm doing that, I'm starting the disposal process. So when we dispose of an engine, we need to fill the water up all the way to the top, get rid of the fire. So I'm putting a little bit more water in than I normally would, so we don't have to spend ages when we dispose it. There is the fire. And then, yeah, it's starting to get dark. Hopefully I'll check in with you in a bit when it's dark. Yeah, a little while left, a lot of work to do. Very tired. So we're moving a light engine now around the coaches, which are currently going past them now. We will run around them, buffer up to the back of the coaches, and then push them into the platform where they can be worked on during the week, and then we can go back to the pit. Got a nice old sunset. People pay a lot of money to do this. We're just trundling along. Everything's fine, everything's good. We have our trainee Pete disposing of the engine. He's using a rake to get rid of the fire basically. He's pushing all to the front and trying to get as much in the ash pan as possible. We've got the injectors on, bringing the boiler up to the full, and then it's a case of making sure everything's shut. So we will shut the manifold, we will shut the injectors, we will shut the clacks, and we'll make sure any of the other knobs we've had on are off, i.e. Mr. Blobby or the lubricator. Steam heat, vacuums all off, handbrake is on, make sure all the windows and stuff are shut. And then that's it, we're good to go home.